Hello everyone friends, on the Color Weller. Today I'll show you how to kick a person out of your Roblox account. That is, if you, think that you have someone or know that someone has gained access to your account, and of course the best thing to do is to change the password, then just write in the browser reset Roblox password. Right, go to the first site. That's it. And write the email address here, click next, and after entering the code respectively, you will be able to enter a new password. After that, all of them respectively don't, so to speak, you'll immediately go to with undesirable, so to speak, people on your account. Here's your way. If you can't change your password for some reason, or you don't have access to your email right now, you can go to your account settings. Find here, we go to security and click on log out from all other devices at the bottom. Click log out, and then accordingly you'll kick everyone out. Everyone, yes, roughly speaking, people from all devices here from your account. That's all. Weller was with you. Bye everyone.